What's up?
What's up?
Today I'm with Duffy.
Hi.
Duffy. I was gonna shake your hand. No, that's fine. That's fine. No problem.
I was playing baseball today.
Yeah? Baseball?
And soccer.
It's very good
Yeah.
beach day today, right? But we are not going to beach today.
Where are we going?
So you said you're hungry,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna let you try something.
Fantastic.
You eat meat, right? Oh, perfect. Oh, I'm very happy.
vegetarian.
Okay. Okay, can you tell us about yourself a little bit?
Okay. Hi. My name is Mai Tanaka and I'm from Japan. I've been here almost 8 months.
8 months.
8.
Yeah?
Yeah. I will be back to Japan soon, actually.
Soon?
In
Oh my
summer.
Now my heart stopped.
No way. But I'm really glad to meet Ozu.
Oz, it's me.
Yeah.
Can you pronounce my name again?
Oz.
Oz.
Oh, what's the difference?
Yeah, it's okay.
Oz.
It's totally correct, yeah.
Oz.
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 Yeah. Oz.
Oz.
Yeah, like you're flying. Oz.
Oz.
Your pronunciation is amazing.
Thank you.
It's heavy, right?
A little bit. So, yeah.
Okay,
you know.
let me hold a little bit. How is your family?
Oh, yeah. My family is good.
They are good?
In Japan. Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
No, say hi to your family.
Oh, where is my family? What do you mean?
Your pronunciation is really nice.
Thank you.
Better than my Japanese accent.
Oh, you wanna try?
Okay.
Japanese.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
あなたのおっぱいもみたい。
Oh my god. But you Japanese is almost perfect.
Yeah?
Yeah?
I love learning languages.
Yeah, me
And
too.
yeah, I know a little bit from every language. So that's it actually.
My major is Mandarin. Chinese.
Chinese? Ni hao.
Ni hao.
Ni hao.
Ni hao. Ni hao, man.
Tony mo.
me. I can speak Korean too.
You speak Korean too? Popoe?
Oh. Wow.
Wow. Okay, I'm gonna show you how you're gonna eat it, okay?
Yeah. What's this?
Okay, now it's parsley.
Parsley. Oh.
Yeah. Lemon.
Oh.
You don't like lemon?
No. I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
But I don't like tomato.
You don't like tomato? Okay, don't worry. Parsley. You wanna get yourself or you want me to put? However you want.
How?
Just put on lahmacun.
Right, like this?
Yes. Onion?
I like it.
You wanna eat onion?
Yeah.
Are you sure? You wanna eat onion? Are you sure? Okay, onion.
No?
It's enough, a little bit, yeah, a little bit onion. Because it's a good day, good weather, onion. You're gonna roll it. Let me do it. Just hold like this, hold the plate.
First time.
Alright.
One eternity later.
Oh!
Yeah.
Can I eat?
Yeah, of course.
Itadakimasu.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna get some drink, okay?
tasty. I love it. I was so hungry, so let me eat.
Ayran.
Ayran.
Yeah, ayran.
Ayran.
Like shake it.
Oh.
Aman tanrım, bu ayran güzel bu arada arkadaşlar. Harbiden güzel. Her şeyi kokluyor.
It's good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like it.
Yes! Tsubasa and Japanese.
Tsubasa?
Anyway, yes, Tsubasa. Like Los Angeles and California. If Los Angeles doesn't exist, California is nothing, right? I'm gonna eat onion because we are not gonna smell each other.
Yeah. A little more.
No, it's enough.
Okay.
Ah, yours is still there. Okay.
Okay, cheers.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers.
Is there any cups? I'm gonna break that rule.
No.
I'm gonna break that fucking rule. Is there any cups?
No, I can see.
Please, please, no, 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 no. Yes. We got it.
Wow. Here.
Thank you.
Ooh. Wow. Nice.
Yeah, this is the place.
Wonderful.
Wonderful, right?
My God. Oh.
Yes, nice. Have a sunbath here.
Wow. So nice.
Yeah,
Feels
right.
so good.
Yeah, right. I love learning new languages. You know, what do you like the most in LA, in United States?
The same. I can communicate with many people here. So nice.
So, yeah, right.
You're so kind. What?
You are. Give me a hug.
Thank you for taking me here.
Of course. You are. You know, you are first girl who I brought here.
Really?
Yeah. Really.
I appreciate it. Oh my God.
Of course. Yeah. First and last girl.
First and last?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Of course. I was gonna fall down.
Yeah, me neither.
Right? And Duffy, she's amazing fashion designer. Can follow her from here.
Yeah,
Instagram.
I appreciate it. I had a great time today.
You have a great time, me too.
Thank you.
See you in the next video.
See you.